Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video. Today, as you know, AI has taken over quite a bit. Like it has been, but now we can see like a drastic step with what ChatGPT. I mean, everyone's like, oh my god. And now as a kid I used to watch Slogo Man, who used to record with Jelly and Kwebbelkop. Now Kwebbelkop left the group. Jelly and Slogo have also started a podcast now. However, Kwebbelkop has made a video how I built an AI that will change YouTube forever. I actually saw this video recommended. I'm guessing not as a Kwebbelkop fan, obviously. I think as a computer science student, I saw this AI video. So I was like, you know what? It's Kwebbelkop. Let's go and see how he's been keeping, and let's see what he means by YouTube will change forever by AI or whatever. Let's see.
I always have this one problem. I'm Dutch. I speak fluent English, and it took me multiple years to learn this language. Dit is mijn Nederlandse stem. Haha, leuk hè? No one knows what I'm saying. I'm not that good in French. I'm not that good in Spanish.
So only the people that can speak the languages that you speak
can understand it.
Can understand what
How
you're saying.
stupid is that?
So knowing Jordi, he is always full of ideas. And this was certainly one of them.
I think I can build an AI that when you just speak English, or when you speak Dutch, or when you speak Italian, it translates it.
I don't
to
like
any
how the flags are all different sizes on top of each other. They could have found like exact sizes or put them next to each other instead of on top.
other language
Oh, Pakistan.
of the person receiving.
So since I've known him, I kind of built this filter in my head that filters Jordi's ideas to good and bad and in the middle.
Is
This
this
was
his producer or like his manager? Who is this guy?
Actually a really good idea.
I want to be able to tell jokes in Dutch to my friends, for you to film it, Martijn, and for us to not have to worry about which language we speak in vlogs. It just translates it and makes it accessible.
Well, the issue with jokes is like when you say it, it might not the English like slang, for example. Or let's say you use Dutch slang here and there. I don't think you could translate well, and also, even if the AI does it, then you need the accent there. Like, it can't be very like. If you need like a crying sort of effect, like a happy sort of like. Obviously, as your mood changes, your tone of voice also changes. You also need that.
For everyone.
The moment Jordi has an idea like this, you can really see the spark in his eyes. He gets activated and he just starts working day and night. He can't stop.
It's gonna change the YouTube game. Either our tool is, or all these other tools are coming out. Yeah, either we're gonna be the only one, or everyone's gonna join in. What do you think of that, Mustafa?
Sounds very promising.
Were you even listening?
No.
He was obsessed with his prime.
I like it.
And he's been working together with his team on this project for months now. He's learned himself how to code,
So I'm
how
guessing
to
they're close now because it's already been months. Like they're somewhere now. So
develop, how to write
also,
software.
like Jordi learned how to code. That's kind of like commitment as well.
Because he
coding as well.
really believes in this. And let me tell you, I do as well.
We just got a test. We have this German video.
Es waren einmal vor langer Zeit.
I don't understand whatever the you're saying. Threw it into our software, and now we just got this back.
Once upon a time, there was a bird and a whale. Mr. Bird loved Mrs. Whale, and Mrs. Whale loved Mr.
Again, like it's. I don't really know if he's just. I don't. You've literally Google translated a video instead of instead of just Google translating words to words. And on Google Translate, when you do paste in words, you can just press speak and it will speak out. However, again, the tone, this does sound like a bedtime story. We need the calm, relaxing sort of tune.
Bird.
Nice.
Okay, well, it makes sense. I have to say, as a bedtime story, this voice could be better.
Yeah.
Well, that's the strange thing. It's supposed to have a really nice voice. I guess there's a bug somewhere, so we're
Yeah.
just gonna investigate. But
Yeah.
so far, the test seems to be going pretty well.
So as every project, it all starts with an idea, and then you start executing it, and then you go into the trial and error stage. And you can really see this happening to Jordi all the time. He's like, this is not working, and then he's like, this works. But it's very interesting to observe, and especially to record.
Okay, we just pushed another update. We put the longer one in there now, and then destination language. Listen, we got English, German, Polish, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, Hindi, Urdu.
You look away for a couple of hours, and a website is built. And there's like 8 languages that they still
Okay.
can dive into.
Let's do
German.
No, it's German to German. We're not
Oh.
gonna do German to German. French.
Yes.
Madame Bird and Mademoiselle. What?
They're moving fast now. How's it gonna be called?
Dub dash. Dub dash is great. It's exactly what we do. We dub in a dash.
Yes.
Dub dash.
We did that.
Yeah, this is a test website. Don't look at that. We haven't optimized the speed. We're mainly first trying to see, can we get this to work somehow? It involves a ridiculous amount of engineering. It's pretty complicated.
Yeah.
It seems
That-
complicated.
when
but
you're
I've
building
heard of him,
something-
you know, he's kind of left YouTube for like actual passion projects now, which is actually kind of sick.
It's like, you're like, it works,
Like,
and it
and the
broke.
thing is, he still posts here and there, so you haven't lost a YouTuber.
And then you keep on fixing it until it works. We just had a banger idea. All right, YouTube has provided us with a feature where you can select multiple different languages to talk in your video.
Yeah.
Apparently, you can do this with shorts too. So my short can have Spanish audio and Hindi.
Okay.
If you look at all these languages here, English is 71%, Hindi is 3%.
Oh,
Dutch is 2.5, German is 2%, Spanish is 1.4. Let's add this in and let's
See what happens.
What the impact's gonna be.
so we got the audio translated, but let's try it out.
Was für ein Start, wow. OMG, wir sind dabei.
Der Ring, dann Bubble Tea, dann hier. Nein. Nein, nein. Nein, verdammt. Ich werde das nicht vermasseln.
Ich werde das nicht machen.
Ich versuche das schon so lange. Nein.
Again, if you are watching in the other languages, then you could see his mouth probably isn't moving in the way the words are. So it's a bit annoying, but
Nein, nein, nein.
as long as they know as well this was happening.
It does do it.
I guess no means 9, right?
Yeah, that means no, for sure.
No, but,
Perfect.
I mean, some parts were really good. Some parts were really good. For real, like the bubble tea and that kind of shit. Like he really knows.
The
how to say it,
reactions
the
are
pace.
tricky, of
The
course.
emotion is
Yeah.
harder to capture.
Yeah.
Was für ein Start, wow.
What for the start? Wow!
So this was the first time we were going to actually test the tool on our channel, on a short that has already been performing magnificent. And let
Okay.
me tell you, we did have high hopes.
The crazy thing is, we actually got Spanish comments.
Yes, sir.
Eso es burbuja. Desde consumir, Cristina, amigo. Friend, to consume, deja vu. He has never seen me before. Check. Okay, so bro failed. Oh wait, that's not Spanish.
However, the actual result, pretty insane.
We got some pretty
This
cool
is
data.
insane.
Yes.
This is insane. Day 1, May 1st. We have a total of 0 German viewers, 360,000 English viewers, 0 Spanish viewers, and 0 Hindi viewers. This is on one video. We tested.
We have 0.
0, 0, 0. You
That's
ready for
insane.
day 2? We have 320,000 English, 70,000 Spanish.
This is after the dubbing was.
Yes.
Yeah.
25 Hindi, 2.5 thousand German, 70,000 Spanish. And then the most recent day, 420,000 English, which seems to be very stable, 100,000 Spanish viewers.
That's insane.
What the
So
We haven't made a new video, we just used the AI.
Yeah, we literally just gave them the Spanish audio.
That's crazy. Hola, buenos dias.
So this was the moment we were actually really seeing the real potential of this tool. Views were climbing, we were getting comments in Spanish, German, Hindi. This is actually a really big thing.
So now we're testing long form, which is obviously like a short is like a minute, a long or 30 seconds mainly. A long form is more like 10 minutes. So it's 20 times as long.
Yeah.
Which came with its own challenges. But we've ran plenty of very successful long form tests right now. And then Martijn and I were just going back and forth to really perfect it.
Yes.
And capture the essence of the video.
And let me tell you, this was just the beginning. So keep in mind, these were the results for only one short. We have over 5,500 long-form videos on the channel and probably more than 1,000 shorts. Are you seeing the same potential in this tool as we are?
We're obviously going to be capturing data, and we're going to see if there's an impact or not.
That's
Could
also
be.
possible.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we're hopeful.
We're very hopeful. We're very hopeful.
All right, so we are doing great. We could
So
sell
we're
this
gonna
tool
make
to
a Geordie
influencers,
Spanish
companies, whoever. But then this happened. So, Jordy,
Yes.
what happened yesterday? We were okay.
No.
They accidentally deleted the code. Oops.
I'll talk.
Mhm.
I'll talk.
Mhm.
We've got competition.
Yeah, we got this little.
I'll talk.
Okay. Keep
Okay.
going.
We've got competition.
Mhm.
All right.
Okay.
So when we started this journey, this project, I thought, hey, okay, well, who could be my competition? And I was looking around, and I thought, oh, you know what? You know who has a translation company? Mr. Beast. You know who's a brilliant businessman? Mr. Beast. So I thought, okay, maybe Jimmy would announce that he's working on an AI dubbing tool. He didn't. It was a lot worse. You know who the new competition is? It's Google.
I thought it was Google.
Google, we're competing with Google. My entire fortune and fame and everything is Google, all right? If Google says, let's go and pursue AI dubbing, it probably means it's a huge opportunity. And we're doing it too. Okay? On top of that, I looked at this Google announcement of their dubbing tool. I didn't see a working product. What do we have, Martijn?
We have a working
We
product.
have a working fucking product.
Yes, sir.
All right?
So launch it.
You want to know the craziest thing, Martijn?
Tell me.
Is that Google is $1 trillion company. And we're just a bunch of guys in Amsterdam working our f***ing asses off. So, Google, bring it.
So hey Google, welcome to the party
We ran 100 successful dubs over the weekend
on the Kwebbelkop channel.
on the Kwebbelkop channel. So we're finalizing that right now, and then we can start gathering data, which is great. And then we think 100 in a weekend, aka 50 a day, is too slow. So we're scaling up to 500 a day, probably by the end of today.
All right, so let me keep you up to pace. If you thought we were going fast, now is the time to really go fast, like insanely fast, supersonic speed.
We also have some potential partners coming to join us.
Okay.
We're planning to launch on Thursday, Martijn. So Tom's working on the website right now. You want your stuff dubbed? You shoot us a message. Right now I'm working on a really cool feature, background audio. We grab the original audio, we remove all the vocals, and then we just have background audio. And then we grab the dubbed audio and we stick it on top.
Okay.
Goddamn.
Right.
Goddamn.
Pretty nice. Literally, everything is taking off.
Ooh, hallo Leuten, ich bin Kwebbelkop. The
What
wildest
do we
thing
know?
though is that there's no difference in average view duration.
And these stats are literally insane. Mr. Beast hires professional voice actors, like the most famous people. He pays them pretty well, I think, to dub all his videos. We don't do that. We use AI. It's costing us about $1 per minute to make this, and the retention or the audience watching doesn't drop at all.
Okay.
We're gonna be on television.
Yes.
Yes, so
Okay.
one of the biggest TV shows in the Netherlands called Jinek, they
Right.
love the dub tool. They think it's sick. So they sent me over some of their stuff and they said, hey Jordy, can you dub the host, clone her voice and make her speak a bunch of different languages and match it to the video? I said, yeah, no problem. So we did. Pretty cool, right?
Super cool. It's a great
Yeah, and then they're gonna plug dubdash.net, so I think like 500,000 people, if not 1 million people, are gonna see it tonight, live.
So
yeah.
that website better be ready.
The website should be ready. I think it's
Oh.
ready. Have you seen the website?
Boom, let's go.
Okay.
Boom. Boom, here we go.
Zijn Geisradenmakers und du bist neues Disney kon je super fan en je wordt je Disney weekend voor Kwebbelkop.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Dit wordt mijn internationale doelpunt.
Yes!
Jordy!
Huge success.
Yes?
Huge success.
Great accomplishment.
Huge accomplishment. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. More cool stuff coming.
Yes,
Yay.
because now, I mean, we've launched the tool,
People want to know, how is it gonna do?
And you need a version 2, version 3.
There's gonna be version 2, there's gonna be a version 3, there's gonna be more tools in the future. I love building tools. We got a game coming out too.
Yes.
Oh
yes.
shit.
That's the
if you
next
thought
big
this
thing.
was sick, wait until you see the game.
Yes.
We've been working on it for
4 years.
For 4 years. 4 years. Yes. I was gonna say 3.5. Now it's 4 years.
Yes.
Okay, with a team of 25 people.
I don't like how close
$1
it's
million got put into it. So yeah, now the game's gonna be sick.
Yes.
But for now, Dubdash.
Go to the website.
Go to the website, dubdash.ai, dubdash.net. Shoot us a message if you're an influencer or a YouTuber. Let us know. Let's make your videos go international. We want to help you. We want to help you share these stories. We want to help you make people's days better. We want to help you make money. Whatever you want, we're gonna help you out. So shoot us a message. Dubdash is live right now.
Yay.
See you there.
Let's go, Kwebbelkop. Let's check out Dubdash. You know, dub-net. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm guessing it is paid. I'm guessing I can't just like link a video in. This is him on the news. That's kind of cute. Don't really care though. Yay. I mean, obviously, go check out whatever. It's, you know, he's done something here clearly, and it's gonna work out. But yeah, if you do want updates on this sort of stuff from Geordie or anyone else like this, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care and peace.